Welcome, guys. Welcome to my channel. SM Data Science. So today I'm talking about model evolution. After model train or build, then we test the model how it's work. Okay, so it's the code of model evolution. So for running this code you need to download OpenCV library in your system and also hand tracking module CB zone. If you when you run this code, if you got any type of error, you just copy this error and paste the chat GPT and write fix this error is just fix it because of it's normally so the error if in your system the required library was not present, then it's show the error after otherwise not. So let's go. Then I saw how to convert this Python code to a desktop application. Okay. Okay, this signs mean x, this sign is means b. Okay, now you try it. Okay, so we have done it. Then okay, the next part I will show you uh, how to create a application. I mean desktop application. Okay, so today session stop the session today's session. Okay, guys, goodbye, have a good day.